Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Ghost ability in MM2. This unique power grants you temporary invisibility, making you undetectable to other players for a brief period. It's an incredibly versatile tool, perfect for escaping dangerous situations or setting up surprise attacks. Understanding its mechanics is key to dominating the game. We'll cover activation, strategic uses, and common pitfalls to avoid, ensuring you become a true master of stealth. Activating your Ghost ability is straightforward. Simply tap the designated Ghost icon on your user interface. Upon activation, you'll notice your character becomes completely transparent, signaling your invisibility. This stealth mode lasts for a crucial 5 seconds, providing a short window for strategic maneuvers. Remember, after each use, there's a cooldown period of roughly 20 seconds before you can activate it again, so timing is everything. The Ghost ability offers numerous strategic advantages. One primary use is evasion. If the murderer is hot on your trail, activating Ghost can provide the critical seconds needed to disappear and find cover. It's also excellent for navigating dangerous areas, allowing you to slip past the murderer unnoticed to reach a weapon or a safe spot. Furthermore, you can use it to collect valuable coins or weapons without drawing attention. To truly master the Ghost ability, consider these best practices. Always try to anticipate the murderer's next move. Activating Ghost just before they turn a corner can be incredibly effective. Combining your invisibility with evasive movements like jumping or crouching can further disorient your opponents. Consistent practice in different game situations will refine your timing and decision-making, transforming you into a formidable and elusive player in MM2.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.